Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Want to learn how to earn an extra 20K by Christmas? Well, you want to stick around to the very end of this video because I have exciting gifts for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, and originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm actually studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. I felt like I was always chasing time and money, and I could never catch up to either one of those. And it was up until that time, I was dabbling, you name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. Back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills to zero following to earning over $1 million in 17 months. In fact, by the year 2, she'd actually earned her second million. And now she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. Now, what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get live, weekly, live, interactive coaching and mentorship training from 6 and 7 figure earners who have used our blueprint to earn 6 and 7 figures. All right. So in this video here, I want to share with you how digital marketing actually works, right? So let me know in the comments, do you have any experience in digital marketing, or what experience do you have? Affiliate marketing, network marketing, what have you tried? Are you like me where you've like been there, done that, tried everything, right? So digital marketing, how it works really is that you actually, ideally, you promote a product that's in high demand, okay? Something that is evergreen, that will be there in 2025 and beyond, right? So, and ideally, if it's a digital product, it's even great, because what a digital product does is it allows you to deliver your product instantly, right? So I can be here in Dublin, Ireland, which I am, and you are there in the USA, Canada, Spain, Ireland, Malawi, Africa, wherever you are, right? But we can do business together, and you can get access to your product instantaneously, right? So it's great if you can promote a digital product that's in high demand. Now, with digital marketing, what you're doing is you're not making a list of your closest friends and families and trying to get them to join your business. No, that's done. We don't do that here, right? What you do in digital marketing is you actually get to meet your target audience online. You get to connect with them online, and you leverage platforms like whatever platform you're watching me on right now, right? You leverage these platforms like social media, like YouTube. You're probably watching this on YouTube, right? And Facebook, wherever you're watching this. So you actually get to leverage these and turn these into your storefronts, right? So what social media platforms are you in right now? Let me know, right? Are you using them as a toy, wasting time scrolling and liking for no comment, for no reason, or are you using them as lead generation machines, like ATMs? Okay, so you could actually learn the skills to turn that around, especially going towards the end of 2024 and into 2025. So with digital marketing, what you do is you actually turn these social media platforms into storefronts, and you learn how to use attraction marketing, right? Attraction marketing to get people from those social media platforms onto your world, right? Onto your list. And the other aspect of social media marketing is email marketing. I'm sure you've heard the money is in there. Put what it is. Where's the money? It's in the list, right? So with digital marketing, you definitely need to learn how to build a list. And the best way to build a list is through using an automated marketing system, right? So ideally, you're getting your target audience from the social media platforms, and you're getting them onto your list by leveraging an automated marketing system that's working for you 24/7 while you're working, sleeping. That's the whole point. That's the whole point of starting a digital business, so that you can get that time freedom to do the things that you love with the people that you love. Now, it doesn't have to be just social media platforms. You can use like ads. You can, if you want to, you can use Google ads. You can do blog posts. You can do classified ads. You can use traffic exchanges, safe lists. But the point is that you are connecting with your target audience where they are, right? And online, so you're not you it's rejection free, because ideally what you're doing is you're getting them from those platforms onto your email list using your automated marketing machine, and that does the follow-up for you. Okay. And how it works is very, very simple. You don't need to rob a bank to actually get started. You can get started for as little as $100, and you don't need to be tech savvy, because we have done for you marketing systems that you just have to plug into, make your own, right? And you don't need to have a huge following, because you're going to learn exactly how to do that, right? How to start to build your following, how to build your email list, how to build a relationship with your list, how to activate multiple income streams. So if you're ready to start learning how social media works, I want to invite you to join our 90-day profit push, where we are actually going to, remember I talked to you about my millionaire mentor. She is going to take us by the hand virtually and walk us through every day, step by step, to learn the skills to market online the right way, right? Every day she will send us a video with action steps that we can take action and learn. And the whole point is that we go into 2024 by having a goal to make 20K. And once we actually achieve that goal, we're going to learn the skills to achieve that goal. What that means for you and for me is that 2025, we're off to the races, right? Because we've spent the last 90 days of 2024 learning the skills, applying them. So 2025, we're ready to skyrocket our results and take our life to the next level. So the question I have for you is, what you are doing right now, is it working for you? Are you where you want to be in your life? Because I'm sure, like everybody else, you set New Year's resolutions, right? How close are you to achieving those New Year's resolutions? If you are on track, keep doing what you're doing. But if you're not, wouldn't now be the time for you to actually invest the time and the money to learn how to market the right way, so that you can actually gain the skills that once you gain the skills, once you learn the skills, you can't unlearn them, right? So you can take them on to 2025 and beyond, right? So I want to invite you to join our 90-day run, where you're going to get this daily videos. But apart from that, you're actually going to get live interactive weekly coaching and mentorship every single week from 6 and 7 figure earners, right? What you have to do is click the link below to actually claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide, and get access to your done for you automated marketing system that can help you activate up to 7 income streams as well. Okay. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that button, that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.